In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with n8n to automate your workflows seamlessly. We'll guide you through each step of the setup process, making sure you have everything you need to get started smoothly. To kick things off, head over to the n8n website. Once you're there, focus your attention on the option that says Add First Step. This is your starting point for setting up the workflow you're about to create. In the search bar that appears, type in Slack and select it from the list of results. You'll encounter a prompt with several options where you should choose New Message Posted to Channel. Selecting this will enable your automation to trigger every time a new message gets posted in a specified Slack channel. Next, it's crucial to set up your credentials. Click on the Credential option, then select Create New Credential. You'll notice there's an access token field here, but let's leave it blank for now, as we'll circle back to this in a moment. Your next step takes you over to Slack, either on their app or their website. Within Slack, start by choosing the workspace you'd like to automate. Navigate to the Apps section, clicking on Add Apps to explore further. This leads you to the Open in Slack Marketplace option. Follow through to access the menu for starting your app building journey. Click Build to enter the app creation section, where you should select Create a new app and then Start from scratch. At this stage, it's time to give your app a name. Something straightforward like Example should suffice. Ensure you're working in the right workspace and then go ahead and click Create App. With your app now set up, you'll need to configure its permissions. On the app's configuration page, navigate to OAuth and Permissions. As you scroll, you'll find a section titled Scopes. You'll want to click Add an OAuth scope here. This step is key because it determines what your app can do within your Slack workspace. Make sure to select all necessary scopes depending on your automation objectives. Once your scopes are configured, scroll back up and click on Install to Workspace. Choose the correct workspace, and when prompted, confirm the permission request by clicking Install. Post-installation, Slack will present you with an access token. Copy this token carefully as it is crucial to the final steps. Now return to the n8n interface and go to the Credentials section. Paste the token into the access token field and be sure to click Save to lock in this information. Returning to the n8n platform, you'll be prompted to choose a channel to watch. From a list, select a channel like General, which should fit your Slack setup. Finally, return to the main interface and hit Save once more to finalize your automation.